Hello there guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the main terms used in forex. Main terms used in forex. Main terms used in forex. So the first term we are going to talk about is the lot. The second term, okay, let me use blue. Here. So the first term we are going to learn about is the lot. The second is a point or pip. Okay. The third one is reference. The fourth, we're going to talk about margin. We're also going to talk about rollover. We are also going to talk about swap. We are also going to talk about stop loss. And we are also going to talk about take profit. Now let's begin with lot. So what's a lot? We can define it as these are units of an asset that you can trade, be it a currency. Yeah, it's a unit you can trade. You can trade. Yeah, it can be a currency. It can be a currency pair. It can be a stock. Also, it can be an index. Those are indices. Okay. So in forex, one standard lot equals 100,000 base currency unit. So base currency unit, let's take an example of the euro USD. This is our base currency. This is our base. This is our base currency. And this is our quote. That's our quote. So this means if you want to trade one lot of euro USD, you will need 100,000 euros. You will need 100 euros to trade that asset. I know you're wondering, where will I get this lump sum of money to trade forex? But we can also have a mini lot, and also a micro lot. We can have a mini lot, we can have a mini lot, which is 10,000 units, and we have also a micro lot, which is 1,000 units, For stocks, one lot usually is equal to 100 units. And for indices, one lot equals 10 units. I know now, guys, you're wondering and worried where to get the lump sum to start trading. You can just start trading with just $5. You can just start trading with only $5. Because you will be able to use the so-called leverage. You will understand this term later in the course. Leverage, you will understand it. So you don't need a lot of money so that you can start trading forex. Okay, so let's continue and talk about a point or a pib. Point or a pib. Let's talk about a point or a pib. This is also called a pib. So a point represents the smallest change an asset can make. Smallest change an asset can make. Smallest change an asset can make. Let's take an example of Great Britain pound against the USD. Let's use a quote of GBP USD, and it's given like this: 1.26541. So This one is counted in 5 decimal points. Counted in 5 decimal points. So let's say the GBP USD rose from 1.2541 to 1.27833. So this change between this and this, we subtract this from this, so that is we only subtract the point, this one, you see, we only subtract this area. So we take 278,833 less 26541, which gives you 1290 points or pips. That's a difference of 1290 pips. Or let's say the GBP USD falls from 1.2569 to 1.25050. So the decline here, no. So here the decline was 640 points. 640 points. Okay, for so for JPY, that's the Japanese yen, it has 3 decimal places. For JPY, it's usually denoted in 3 decimal places. 3 decimal points. 3 decimal points. An example is the USD. An example is the USD JPY. Is quoted as 3.705. The last decimal of a price quotation represents a point. This last represents a point. So if this moves to 103.706, we have moved 1 point up. Okay, now let's talk about how to calculate the value of 1 point. How to calculate the value of 1 point. How do we calculate the value of 1 point? Calculate the value of 1 point. 1 point. Let's say you had to trade USD JPY, USD JPY. Let's say you were trading USD JPY. Exchange rate. The exchange rate is 144.000. So we said 0.001. This is a point. Divided by 144.000. This is exchange rate. Exchange rate. So times one standard lot, which is 100,000, which is a standard lot. Standard lot that gives us 0.694 per point. For every 1 pip, you get 0.694 per point. So let's do another example using the USD as a quote currency. USD, let's use USD as a quote currency for the for the forex majors. Okay, let's use the Euro USD, the Euro USD. So for the Euro USD, we are going to use okay, a point is 0.00001. Okay, we say the Euro USD we use 5 decimal places, so that's 0.00001. That's 1 pip. That's 1 point. So the exchange rate for Euro USD, it's 1 euro is equals to $1. So we are going to use 1 times the standard lot, which is 100,000. That gives us $1 per point. $1 per point. Okay, now let's quickly look at reference. Let's quickly look at reference. Let's talk about reference. Okay. Let's now quickly talk about leverage. Let's quickly talk about leverage. Okay. Let's say you want to start trading and you have $5. You have $5. You want to trade and you have $5. A trader needs $1,000. A trader needs $1,000. $1,000. $1,000 to open an order with one micro lot. To open an order with one micro lot. One micro lot. With one micro lot. The good news is that brokers have found a way out, and that's leverage. The broker will provide $995 for the trader, and the trader will add $5. That's if the leverage for the trader is 1 to 200. 1 to 200. Let's just draw something to represent that. Let me say we are drawing something of this kind and something of this kind. This is $5 for the trader, and this is $995. This is the broker, and this is the trader. So you leverage your $5 to 1:200 so that you can trade. You can open an order for $1,000. $1,000 with one micro lot. That's a 1 to 200 leverage. Your $5 is multiplied 200 times, so you gain profit by leveraging. Okay. You also need to choose a leverage that suits you for your skills. You have to bear in mind that while leverage multiplies your profit, it also increases your loss if the market goes against you. Okay? You can lose all your money if you put very big leverage. Leverage can go up to leverage can go up to 1:3,000. Now let's quickly look at margin. Let's talk about margin. Let's quickly look at margin. Now that you know what leverage is, margin will be easy to understand. So in forex, a margin is a sum of funds that is required for a trader to open a position. So margin is the funds required uh, from a trader to open a position. So from the previous example for leverage, the $5 we were talking about, $5 we were talking about, $5 we were talking about, this is our margin. You have $5 and you want to leverage it to 200 times. So we leverage this $5 to 1:200 to attain the minimum amount for trading. So the money you hold in your trading account is what you can use as margin. Okay? The money you hold in your account is what you can use as your margin. Let's quickly talk about swap. Let's talk about swap. So swap is the sum that a trader can gain or lose due to rollover. This is called a swap. So swap is the amount of money, is the funds that a trader can gain or lose. So rollover may result in a swap benefit or a swap charges depending on the interest rate differentials. Usually the interest rates are influenced by major economic events in the country. This can be monitored in the economic calendar. So swap equals to interest rate of one currency minus interest rate of another currency. So let's give an example. Let's give an example here. Let's have an example. So example, if you are going long on the Euro USD, so buying the Euro and selling the US dollar. Buying the Euro and selling US dollar. The dollar interest rate is subtracted from the euro interest rate. So the dollar interest rate is subtracted from the euro interest rate. Hope you understand that. Buying the euro and selling the US dollar. The dollar interest rate is subtracted from the euro interest rate. And if you are buying, let's now quickly go through the stop loss and take profit. Stop loss and take profit. Take profit. So stop loss is an exit order. Stop loss, exit order. And take profit. It's a point where you take your profit. A point where you take your profit. So take profit is a profit target. Let's say profit target. Profit target. You need to place a take profit at a level you expect the prices to reach. It is often the previous high if it is a buy, and take profit will be above the current price if you sell, it will be below it. Okay, let me show you this using my chart here. So let's say you enter trade here. So we enter a buy order here. If we enter buy order here, we can put, let's say this is a euro USD. So we enter buy there. We can put our stop loss here, and we can put, maybe we can put our take profit here. So if this market goes down like this, hits the stop loss, it will cancel the order. If the market moves up and reaches the take profit, the order will also be cancelled and profit will be secured. Okay, thank you for listening to me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to start trading forex, I provide links to brokers, and also download the MetaTrader 5 app, and the links will be provided on the description part of the video, so that we can start, you can be learning. And also, do not put your money first, trade using the demo funds. I will teach you how to set up the accounts. We are going to use the Deriv account and also the FBS account. So the links will be provided on the description part of the video. I will show you in the next video how to set up things and how to get started in trading before we start learning on candlesticks. So this the green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, those are what we call candlesticks. Okay, so next lesson we are going to learn how to read the candlesticks and how to set up your trading accounts. Thank you.